Welcome back to Stoy Crypto. A lot's happening in the SEI ecosystem. Today, Compass Wallet announced that they now have support for in-wallet swaps. You can swap your favorite tokens right inside the Compass wallets. Native tokens including SEI, USDC, top meme coins, and bridge tokens. It says that this is currently live on the extension and it will be on mobile soon. So let's test this out today and see how it works. If you don't have a Compass wallet, go to their X account, which will take you then to their website where you can say Get Compass, and then you can go ahead and install it as a Chrome extension like I have, but it also works on Edge and Brave. So this is a brand new Compass wallet I just installed for this video. You can see that the swap button is right here. I sent some SEI to it, so let's go ahead and test it out. Let's click on swap. Okay, so by default it looks like SEI pops up, which is one of the top SEI ecosystem meme coins. Let's see what else is available. So it looks like they do have quite a few tokens available in here, but specifically what I want to do is I want to test this out for meme coins. So the first swap I want to test is with one of the top meme coins right now in the SEI ecosystem. If you go to Deck Screener and then you click on SEI, you can see all of the meme coins and tokens within the SEI ecosystem. So right now MILLI is a hot token and I want to go ahead and swap for that. So I'm going to go to MILLI on Deck Screener and I'm going to scroll down to the contract here and I'm going to copy MILLI, and then let's go ahead and open Compass. All right, and let's click on swap, and I'm going to click right here and I'm going to paste in the MILLI address. There it is, it pops up, and let's just say 10 SEI. It says price impact cannot be calculated for this swap pair, proceed anyway. Compass just launched this a couple hours ago, so it's brand new. So I'm gonna click that, let's click review, and I'm gonna click proceed. We're swapping 10 SEI for that much MILLI. Proceed. Here we go, it says swap successful, and let's go ahead and close this. Let's go back here, and now I'm gonna have to add the MILLI token to this Compass wallet. So click on manage tokens, toggle on MILLI, go back, and now you can see we have our MILLI tokens in here. So that's pretty easy. Let's try it again with something else. So let's just say swap. So if I wanted to swap, let's say some more SEI for, let's try Akita, which is another popular meme token in SEI ecosystem. Let's go ahead and copy the address off of Deck Screener. Let's open up Compass. Let's go to swap, paste in the Akita address. It pops up here. Just say 5 SEI, finding transaction route. Okay, like that, review, and then I would just click proceed, obviously, to go ahead and do it. I'm not going to make that swap right now, but that's how you swap within the Compass wallet. Very nice addition to this wallet. This will be a huge help with the growing DeFi and meme coin ecosystem on SEI. One thing I did notice, let me go to another SEI wallet that I have. So this is another Compass wallet I have, and you can see the swap button's not here. That's just because it's not been updated yet. I'm guessing that it'll automatically update. Google Chrome will update this extension. If not, you can manually do it. But if you do click on, let's just say SEI, you can see that the swap button does show up here. So you can do it that way if your Compass wallet is not up to date. Again, if you just click on the actual token, then you'll find the swap button there. This is brand new. Once again, this was just earlier today that this came out. So I'm sure they'll continue to improve this. It is a big step forward, again, for the SEI ecosystem, the Compass wallet. You can now do swaps inside your wallet. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing and leaving a like for more SEI ecosystem tutorials. See you in the next one.